I'm Jake Sawyer, and this is my presentation on 3D printing. So what is 3D printing? 3D printing is a manufacturing process which uses a digital file to create different 3D printed pieces. It uses plastic to create custom products, and this process uses little waste and can be done without harmful chemicals. How does 3D printing work? First, you need to make a 3D model using like a software like CAD or another one. Then you upload this 3D model onto your 3D printer, which uses slicing to create layers of plastic for the machine to put on. And then your machine melts plastic and adds thin strips onto the predetermined layers. And this uses wheels of ABS or PLA thermoplastic. Then here are some different types of 3D printing. So this is stereolithography, which uses a vat of UV curable resin. And the UV laser builds one layer at a time by curing the resin. Another different type of 3D printing is selective laser sintering, which uses a high-powered laser to combine small particles together, and this works with metal, ceramics, or glass powders. What are some uses for 3D printing? So 3D printing can be used for many different things, including medical, prosthetics, construction, clothing, and guns, as you could see with these pictures. And then here are some examples of 3D printing. So you could use 3D printing to make like creative things and like pretty much anything you want, but you could also use it to make practical things, as you could see here, like with the cast and the replacement jaw. And then here are some locations that I found near me. So Advanced Wood Products, which sells 3D printers and also services. So you could go there and have them 3D print something for you. And then Simple Machining, which is an online store with CNC milling, 3D printing, and modeling, and will ship directly to you in the Livermore Bay Area. Thank you.